Okay, we got very little time. एक सवाल मुझे आपसे पूछना है about drama and क्या आपको लगता है कि आप कभी फिल्मों की तरफ आएंगी चाहे यहाँ या across the border?
I've just recently signed a film. It's a crossover art film, and it's to be shot in Vancouver in February. I'm very nervous. I'm still double-minded.
तो ये क्या sorry Hollywood Indian?
It's by an Indian director, but it's a crossover art film, so there's a whole lot of international actors and all involved. मतलब India से भी और बाहर से भी, and I don't know. I'm still a little nervous about it. I'm still trying to get myself, because when you're going somewhere else and you're portraying Pakistan and you're a Pakistani actor, there are a lot of things you need to be careful about, which I didn't realize, because our fans, I love them, but उनका दिमाग जो है ना वो थोड़ा सा उस तरफ चला जाता है कि मतलब पाकिस्तान के ऊपर कोई negative बात ना हो. You know, you being a Pakistani should not go and encourage them. We're not encouraging them. We're just playing a part in a script. That doesn't mean that we actually agree with whatever's part of it.
Actor का काम ही ये है कि हाँ.
लेकिन I think थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है उनके लिए separate करना ये चीज़. तो I'm still thinking about it, because the story is such that we're not being portrayed as bad people at all. And लेकिन उसकी एक negative side ज़रूर दिखाई जाएगी.
और ये फिल्म कहाँ दिखाई जाएगी?
क्या मतलब कहाँ दिखाई?
Like मुल्क से बाहर festivals में या television पे?
It's for festivals. I think release भी होगी. I'm not too sure. I'll have to look into that. Yeah.
But ever interested to cross over to the Bollywood? Yeah,
like
Lollywood?
The mainstream commercial side? No, I don't think it's me. I just don't see myself doing the Karan Johar sari numbers. Not yet.
But if you had a career like Nandita Das, would that be something?
Yes, that would be something I'd love. Yeah, something purely, related to acting and no latka jhatka commercial masala. You have to be comfortable doing this.
Tell me something. Do you feel? I mean, you're talking about being careful about the scripts and representing a Pakistani. Do you feel Pakistani? Because you grew up in Abu Dhabi and Canada, and you've spent your time abroad, and obviously, I mean, do you relate to this culture?
That's a really good question. I've never been asked that before, but I'll tell you something very honestly today. I think this profession helped me become more of a Pakistani than I actually am, because now I'm a face that people recognize as a Pakistani. I got into the Pakistani drama where I walk out, people know me as that person, so I feel more Pakistani now. But there was and there is still a culture disconnect or a social disconnect at times, because there's certain things that I do that people look at in a different way and you get judged on it. They don't realize छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें होती है किरण, जो कि अभी बहुत ज़्यादा लोग मतलब they have अपनी दिमाग उन्होंने खोला है, लेकिन they don't understand where I come from. मेरे लिए जॉर्ज से बात करना या फलां ढिमकान से बात करना या उसके साथ कॉफ़ी पे चले जाना, if he was single of course, कॉफ़ी पे चले जाना या लंच पे चले जाना या डिनर पे चले जाना या अपने घर बुला के 5-6 दोस्तों को इकट्ठा करना was not wrong. It was in fact हमारा जो स्टडी ग्रुप था उसमें आई थिंक एक और लड़की थी और 5 लड़के थे. तो उसके ऊपर and how we're so comfortable, or I'm so comfortable talking to the opposite sex or with dealing with them. People don't realize it, over here it's like, oh, बड़ी बातें कर लेती है और ये है वो है, बड़ी friendly है. I couldn't get it initially, and now I've just stopped bothering, because I feel like, this is who I am. Judge me for it, love me, hate me, but this is who I am, and this is what I'm comfortable doing, and this is the way I've been brought up. So, if there's a cultural gap, that bothers me sometimes. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ की मुझे नहीं पता, like मुझे उर्दू पढ़नी लिखनी नहीं आती अभी तक, which is very sad, because I didn't know I'd end up in this profession. और हज़ारों चीज़ हमारी हिस्ट्री के बारे में मुझे नहीं पता.
But you have time to learn it.
Absolutely, and I am with time. It's not like I'm not interested. It's just that slowly and gradually, So give me some time, people, is what I keep telling everyone. आपको उसका नहीं पता, आपको फला एक्टर का नहीं पता, उस ज़माने का आप कैसी पाकिस्तानी? भाई एक्चुअली सोचा जाए देखा जाए तो सिवाय ये कि मेरे माँ बाप पाकिस्तान में पैदा हुए थे, मेरा पाकिस्तान से और कोई रिश्ता नहीं था till 6 years ago, right? So that's not my fault.
Well, abhi the rishta you have, keep it up because
Yeah,
you're doing
yeah,
a
and
great,
I love it.
great
Thank
job.
you.
But thank you so much, Aisha. Thank you for being on the show.
Thank you.
And, you know, do call me if you need any rishtas.
Will do.
Okay, thanks.